Hey, what's up guys, it's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Tampa, Florida. We're gonna be doing driveway cleaning here. We got some white vinyl fence. We're gonna be cleaning here and also the north side facing wall of the house. This is a returning customer. Last time I was here was about 2 years ago since all the services were done. Actually, last time I was here, all I did was the driveway and the sidewalk. So today we got, a few upsells on the schedule. Beef up the tickets. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like, leave a comment if you got any questions. I show you guys everything I do the easy way. You can implement it to your business if you want, and if you're a homeowner watching, you can also take these tips and do your own work. So with that said, let's go check the job out. So 2 years, guys, this concrete was clean. And man, technically they could really let it go some more because it's not dirty like that at all. The sidewalk's a little bit more dirty on both sides. They were pretty bad last time I was here, but they're not terrible. Like I said, the driveway looks good still. Got a little bit of algae starting to grow over here, which right here doesn't get that much sun. And then we got this white fence we're gonna clean. Got some algae build up on there. We'll knock out this little pad for them too, since it's dirty. We're gonna apply about a 2% mix of SH, which is chlorine, in the water. So that's the dilution rate we're gonna apply to get all that right there cleaned up. First time this thing is gonna get clean. It's pretty bad. It's full of algae. Back side is not too bad. Got a little bit at the bottom. It's not terrible. See over here on this side here, I got my hose already lined up. This is the wall we're cleaning. Got a lot of algae. Might be some dirt splashed up on there too from the drip edge. This side got a little bit of algae too, man. They got a lot of dog poop everywhere. It is what it is. So this is the fence here. We're gonna start doing the fence here. We'll apply it to the fence and the wall as we're wrapping around the house. So the other side, you see they got them little bugs that I hate. Can't stand those little bugs. I don't even know their name. Do you guys know the name of those bugs? Can't stand them, man. These little guys, a little pesky. When they're dry, they're easier to remove. But yeah, so that's what we'll do. We'll wash everything to the wall, to the fence all at once, and then we'll move on to the driveway in the front. What's up, boss?
All right, man.
Good.
Good. long time no see.
Yeah, got a whole different truck and everything.
I see that. That's awesome.
Yes,
I'm so
sir.
glad for you on that.
Upgraded, man. Big time. How you been?
Been good. Working from home. You know.
Okay, I didn't think you were here.
Yeah, I know. We kind of look like we're not. You know, we both work out of the house, so
okay.
yeah. But we
All
like
right,
we like to keep a low profile.
There you go.
As it were.
No problem. I'll let you know when I'm done.
All right, sounds good.
Yeah.
And are you gonna be able to do these 3 steps here too?
Yeah, I can do it for you. I'm going around.
Okay, perfect. I appreciate that.
Yeah, and I'll do the pad where you put your garbage cans too.
Okay, all right, sounds good.
All right, no problem.
Thank you.
So we got done spraying the fence with the mixture. Like I said, 2% mix, which is pretty good for fences. Just gotta give it dwell time. Don't go trying to rinse it right away. So we'll show you guys over here how bad this looks. Let's do a little test and see what happens. Oh, look at that. Just melts off like butter. Go wrap around here. It's only been a few minutes too, like maybe 5 minutes maybe. I know the stuff in the house is going to require a little stronger mix, but I know it's going to react once I rinse it. So the windows is cleaned up pretty good so far. The fence itself, you guys can see the fence is looking good. The heavier stuff on the bottom, gotta rinse that stuff up. It's going to be a little tougher, but if it doesn't come off all the way, I may just, you know, spot treat it with a pump up sprayer. And it'll clean up pretty good. So we're gonna come back here, start rinsing this down, and then if we need a spot treat, we'll do that, and then we'll go do that driveway. All right, so this is what I mean. Just got done rinsing the wall down, but look, the bottom is not completely clean. You can see some residue, so that means the downstream is not strong enough to kill the algae. So I'm gonna try put some SH, maybe 50-50, spray it on there. You can spray it straight too, but if you put it straight, you gotta make sure you rinse it pretty quick. You know, maybe a couple minutes. Don't let it stay too long. You don't want to affect the paint. All right, so we're gonna do that now. All right, the fence is done. Back wall is done. I'm gonna jump on the driveway now. Got a little bit of light sprinkle, but we'll be able to get this job done. And then when we're done, we'll do a full walk around for everything. So I'm gonna pre-treat the driveway. That's not something I like to do. You don't have to. On this one, I actually can get away with not pre-treating, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. So let's go. Guys, we all done with the job. I didn't need to post treat this. It looks pretty good, and fence came out good, the back wall. So let's go check it out. So this is the driveway here. See, we have no lines, nice and clean. Like I say, I didn't post treat this. She's looking good. I did do the path for him right here. This path was pretty dirty. Got the fence nice and clean. Check out this back wall. I did the step for him too. The step right here got paint missing on it, so it's the best it's gonna look. But back here was pretty bad. This is the wall here at the bottom. You can see the lighter portion, that's where the paint is missing because you know the water splashes on there all the time, and really the dirt was lined up against the wall. I just cleaned it so it makes like a little trench, but there's nothing you can really do about that except for removing that paint and repainting it. But yeah, wall looks good, no algae. Fence looks good, no algae. You guys, we're gonna collect that check, and we're done for the day, man. One job for the day. Good ticket though. I'd rather do one job with one good ticket than doing 3 jobs and get the same amount of money. I don't know what you guys think about that. All right, guys, have a good one. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.